Hello, I'm Mac. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you our HY18B. This mini excavator final solution about mini excavator. I will show you this machine how many deeply can work. Let's start to work. See this machine can how many deeply to work. I on YouTube see some customer to do this work can deeply to work, but I didn't show you in YouTube or Instagram, Facebook. We never to see this. We make this type of video. Today I will show this machine how many deeply can do this work. So let's start to work. I use around 10 minutes make like this hole around 1.2 meter. Also this have some snow or some wood. I think this excavator can enough to make you project to work. Also this not soft land. This have sand, snow, also some wood. Our bucket use stronger plate. We also take the 3-piece teeth. When you work in project, they will give you full support to work. If you have some snow or some wood, they can give you support to work. Also, we have the long boom or strong cylinder. He can support to any time to work. Let's back to machine. I will introduce this machine some details. I think you guys see this machine have the traveling pedal. This pedal can easily to you when you working time. You can easily to when you make the bucket or machine swing. Also this machine can running. No need your hand to operate. So about this hydraulic sham and boom swing, we also have the lock. We can lock that. When you working time, we no need not to make the mistake. If you touch, will be not move. This lock will be protect the safety operation. About this machine, we use the pilot control. This working will be flat. Also, we have the display. Can see this fuel lever and the temperature, also heater, also battery charging or not. Also have the engine how many hours running. We also have the USB connector. We have 2 ports. If your mobile charging will be easily. We also have the safety belt, and will be easily to add the diesel. Also inside have one small filter. These are our details. We have one filter. If you feeling some dirty, you not get the more problem. Also have the hydraulic. We can easily to fill in the hydraulic oil. About this canopy, we use strong pipe, these 4 legs. If you sometimes get the follow down, they will be protect the operator to safety. We also have the big door from this machine backside. We can see the air filter, fuel filter, also this engine oil filter, also this fuels, also this coolant. We also check it easily. About this rubber track, we use more weight. Also, if you're working, they will hold the machine to the safety or hold the machine not to make a vibration. Also, about this door plate, we use hard plate, also hard cylinder. We also have the engine, this grease nipple protect covers, like the hull, make the grease cover not grease nipple not damaged. Also about the cylinder, we also have the rubber, keep this pipe not touch, get the problem. About our hydraulic pipe, we all use the special steel to protect this hydraulic pipe not get the problem. We also have the pipe holder, we also have the rubber. When you the boom down and up, this pipe will be not touch the steel. Any machine we have the plate. We can series number. We can know the machine, the details. Also about this pin. All pin we inside have the bush. If the more time, long time about this machine working, if the pin or bush get the problem, we no need to touch this machine body. Just the change bush is okay. Also this here we also use the bush. Also about the cylinder we also use the bush. Also you see this pin we use the lock. We be hold the cylinder is stronger. Also this cylinder, if you work sometime have store some wood, we will not touch our cylinder, protect the cylinder. Also about this boom pipe, we use the lock, this not make the pipe miss. Also about the cylinder, we all have grease nipple. Also the boom, everywhere we have the grease nipple. You can working time not making machine get the noise. About this hydraulic system, we use strong cylinder, also steel pipe, steel plate. You can hold the big wood or stone. Also, we have the specialist grease nipple to this pin. Inside have the line. Also, we have the half quick hitch. You can easily to change your attachment like auger, ripple, rig. You can work in project enough to support to you. About our bucket, we use 3-piece teeth. Also have side plate, make the bucket is long time working. We also have backside support to plate. About our champion machine, mini excavator, do you have any suggestion? We will update this machine. If you have any suggestion, you can call us. Or we also not on YouTube. We also in Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you to advice. Thank you to look at our videos.